I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we'll be making blueberry cobbler, guys. This recipe is bulletproof, and I'll be showing you guys why it is incredibly delicious. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So last night, I went and prepared my blueberries because I want them completely dry for this recipe. So what I did last night is I went through all the berries and removed all the ones that were shriveled and had mold on them. And I soaked them in water and baking soda, and I placed them on a cookie sheet and paper towel and placed them in the fridge. So this is how my berries are looking. So make sure you clean your berries really well before starting this recipe. Place your blueberries in a large bowl. After adding your blueberries, we are going to add our sugar. Now we are going to add our cornstarch, vanilla, cinnamon, and a little bit of salt, and zest from 1 lemon. And when grating the lemon zest, try not to go too deep and get the white part because it will make your dish bitter. I am going to squeeze the lemon in this bowl so I don't get any lemon seeds in the recipe. Pour your lemon juice. And we are going to give that a good mix. Now go ahead and set this aside and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I am going to lightly grease my 9x13 dish. Make sure you get all corners and the sides. Take your blueberries and pour that in the dish. After placing your blueberries in here, we're going to stick this in the oven just like this for 10 minutes. While we wait for our blueberries to cook for 10 minutes, I am going to add my butter into a bowl. Stick this in the microwave until it's completely melted. Here's my butter. Now I am going to allow it to come to room temperature before using it. For the crumble, I have my flour in a bowl. Now we are going to add our baking powder, salt, sugar. Now go ahead and give that a mix. And this is just the dry ingredients for the crumble. After mixing in your wet ingredients, go ahead and make a hole in the middle, just like so, and put this aside. Now that our butter is completely cool, I am going to add my vanilla to it. Give that a mix. And we're going to pour our butter in here. And we do not want to over mix this flour because this is a crumble. So this is how my crumble is looking. That looks great, guys. You do not need to add any more butter to this. And as you can see, I still have some leftover butter in this bowl, which is completely fine. You don't have to use all of the butter, but I will readjust the measurement for the butter in the description for you guys. Now we are going to add our crumble on top. As you can see, this cobbler is covered with crumble on top because that's how I like it. And if you don't want a lot of crumble on top, you can just have this recipe. So after doing that, go ahead and place it on a cookie sheet, and we're going to place this in the oven and bake it for about 45 to 50 minutes. After 45 minutes, as you can see the gel-like appearance on the edges, and this is how you know that your cobbler is ready. And this should take us to the end of our recipe. Hello guys, after 45 minutes, my blueberry cobbler is ready, guys. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? I went and served it with some vanilla ice cream, guys, and my mouth is watery. This dessert is perfect for the summer. Hands down, the best blueberry cobbler I've ever made. Leave me a comment and let me know if you try this recipe. Thank you so much for baking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.